In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automated Slack alerts. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. By the end of this short tutorial, you'll know how to schedule recurring messages in a Slack channel, whether you want to send reminders, set up daily stand-ups, or keep your project updates organized. Let's dive right in. First, we want to start with a workflow template. On your desktop, look at the sidebar where you'll see the Tools option. Click on that, and then from the drop-down menu, select Workflows. Here you'll find various templates available for you to use. For our purpose, go ahead and select the Send a Scheduled Message template. Now let's move on to the first step, setting a schedule for your message. The template you've just selected is all set to send a recurring message in your chosen channel based on a specified schedule. To do this, look for the pencil icon next to the Schedule section. Click on it, and you'll be able to edit the date and time for when you want your workflow to kick off. Once you have the start time down, you'll also need to choose the frequency. Are you thinking daily, weekly, maybe monthly? Make your selection, then click on Save to ensure your schedule is set. Next, we'll move on to step 2, editing your message and choosing the channel where it will be sent. Again, click on the second pencil icon. This will give you the option to customize your message. In the first field, type the name of the channel you want to send your message to and select it from the list that appears. Once you've chosen your channel, head over to the Add a Message field. Here you can craft the message you want your teammates to see. Get creative. Personalize it to fit the context of your workflow. Once you're happy with your message, don't forget to click on Save to keep those changes. Now we're in the final step, which is to finish up your workflow. Click on the Finish Up button, and you will be prompted to give your workflow a name. Choose a name that reflects the purpose of your alerts, and then click Next. At this stage, you have the option to add workflow managers, along with editing any permissions if necessary. This is great if you want to allow others in your team to manage this particular workflow. Once you're done with those settings, click on Publish, and voila, your workflow has now been published. From this point, those automated messages are ready to go based on the schedule you've set. If you want to learn more about workflows or if you need any assistance, just click on the question mark icon in Slack, which is a handy resource for more guidance. So, there you have it. You've just set up automated Slack alerts in just a few minutes. Streamlining your communication like this can really help keep everyone on the same page. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your productivity.